Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will discuss about how will be the month of July for all the Virgo Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12,000 right now. Sun is moving in your 10,000, the sign of Gemini, where Mercury is already moving. 12th house deal with your isolation, your spirituality, your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlement related matters, your subconscious mind, your sleep pattern. 10th house deal with your work environment, your work colleague, your fame, your authority. So we can expect in the month of July, your 12th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can, if your work is somehow connected to foreign land or you are working in a multinational company, then we can expect positive result for you people. But if you are working in your homeland, then we can expect some disturbance that at your workplace and some losses at your workplace. Sun will stay in your 10th house till 16th of July. After 16th of July, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Cancer. When Sun will move to your 11th house, then we can expect you may have some relief related to a disturbed effect of work and you will have some gains related to money. We can expect you may have some gains related to your money and your health, but also your 12th house Lord is Sun will be in your 11th house, and 11th house deal with your elder siblings. So take care of your elder siblings' health and elder siblings related matter during the month of July after 16th of July especially. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Virgo Ascendant people in the month of July. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your 10th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Gemini. Mercury is right now in its own sign, means in Gemini sign. So we can expect till 8th of July because Mercury will stay in your 10th house till 8th of July. Then Mercury will move to your 11th house. So we can expect till 8th of July you may have some good result and you may have some promotion and recognition at your workplace. But still Sun and Mercury both are moving in your 10th house and Mercury right now in combustion state till 8th of July. So you may have some argument with your work bosses and your work colleague. After 8th of July when Mercury will move to your 11th house, then we can expect some gains related to your health as we discussed in sun section and some gains related to your money matters because your ascendant lord and your 10th house lord will be in your 11th house, and 11th house deal with recognition, your friend circle, your elder siblings, your large incoming gains, your hopes and wishes. That's why we can consider good result regarding Mercury after 8th of July. Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Leo. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of July for all the Virgo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Leo. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family values, your savings, your speech, your food intake habits. Ninth house deal with your father's health, your travel related matters, your pilgrimage, your higher education, your teachers, your mentors, lawyers, and your advisors. All are seen from ninth house. So right now, your lord of your ninth house and second house moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with expenses, losses, isolation, spirituality, hospitalization, isolated places, subconscious mind, sleep pattern, privacy matters. So we can expect in the month of July, your father be very careful regarding your father's health and your teacher regarding your teaching because 12th house deal with losses and expenses and and ninth house deal with your father and father's health. So we can expect these results. Secondly, we must not to forget that Ketu is moving in your second house from last year March 2022. Ketu, so we can expect Ketu were creating disturbing for you people in the month of. So we can expect Ketu is creating disturbing for you from last year March 2022 related to your second house matter, which are your family lineage, your money matters. If you're trying to save money during this time when Ketu is moving in your second house, you will lose money. You will lose more money because Ketu don't like to be saving. Ketu want to be separate you from the house significant in which Ketu is moving. So we can expect And also your second house lord where Ketu is moving is right now moving in your 12th house. So you need to be very careful regarding your losses, your expenses and your family matters in the month of July. You may have some disturbance issues and problems regarding your family matters and your expenses and your losses. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of July. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Virgo ascendant people, moon controls your 11th house and right now moon is moving in your 5th house. Fast moving. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect you may have some disturbance issues and problems in your life because these houses considered as naturally malefic houses in astrology, and moon is very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. During these days, also we may feel some disturbance, issues, and problem in our life. Especially, problem will come from the house significance from which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your third house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Leo, where Venus is already moving. Eighth house deal with your longevity, your sudden event, also your sudden positive event and sudden negative event. Your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your transformation, your in-laws related matter, your unearned money, your joint accounts, your joint money with your spouse is seen from eighth house. So the lord of your third house and eighth house is moving in your 12th house. So as we discussed previously, you need to be very careful regarding your father's health because your father's lord is also moving in your 12th house in the house of losses and expect in the house of losses and expenses and medical treatment. Also Mars control your third house. Third house deal with your communication, your efforts, your speech, your younger siblings, your neighbors, your childhood friends. So third house lord is right now moving in 12th house, and 12th house is not in 12th house is not considered very well in astrology. Third house also deal with your short distance travel and effort. So we can expect in the month of July you may have to put a lot of effort and you may have to travel a lot in your country related to your work. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of July from all planets. We will have four major astrological events in the month of July. Number one, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house on 16 July in the sign of Cancer. Second major astrological event is that Venus just moved from your 11th house to your 12th house on 7 July in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that Mercury will move from your 10th house on 8th July to your 11th house, and from your 11th house move to your 12th house on 25th July 2023 as we discussed in Mercury section. Fourth major and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all Virgo ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.